have concerns about thinning hair or hair loss, and you're not sure what your options are or even where to go? Well, we have a place for you. Welcome to New You. This friendly face is Kelly. She's the office manager and the first person you'll be greeted by when you come into New You for your free, no obligation consultation. While you're waiting for your consultation with Ron, enjoy a cup of coffee in one of our private waiting rooms. We are conveniently located at 1425 Jefferson Road and have been dedicated to helping people like yourself for over 30 years. New You is one of the leading specialists within the Rochester, New York area and offer many different options to address your concerns regarding your hair.
Ron, thank you for going over all my options. I'm really glad I decided to do laser therapy.
Hey, that's what we're here for.